Most people aren't aware of the Quick Analysis tool. When you highlight any table, in the bottom right corner is an icon. This is the Quick Analysis tool menu. If you click on that, it gives you a wealth of options that you can choose from to modify your table. For example, I can click on Totals, click Sum, and it shows the sum of the columns. You can click this sum, and it sums the rows. You can also do formatting on the table, add icons, create charts, and insert them into your spreadsheet, turn it into a table, and add sparklines. There is so much available here, and it makes it quick and easy to avoid going through the menus and manually inserting each one of these different options.